Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. First, let us see what we discussed last week. Last week I said Nifty will be trading between 11,000 and 11,600. But until the expiry day, Thursday, it was trading in that range only. But yesterday, the Bank Nifty shot up nearly 1000 points. It was a big breakout in banking stocks, and because of that Nifty almost touched 11,700. On a closing basis it was around 11,650. So it has overshot by about 50 points than my prediction. Now coming to this week, what are the important events? This video is being shot on Saturday night, and just now the news came that Reliance Industries has bought Future Retail. I think it's about 3.38 billion or something. I am yet to see the details. So we have to see how Reliance is going to react. For the last one whole month, the Reliance has not moved, and therefore we can expect some move in this month. So depending on how the market see this deal, the Reliance may be a stock in focus next week. Other than that, next week is the first week of the month. On 1st of September, there will be monthly auto sales data, monthly cement sales data, and in addition to that, on Monday, the GDP data will be coming, and fiscal deficit data, and core sector growth data. So these are the important data we have to watch on Monday. And Tuesday is the 1st of September, monthly auto sales data, monthly cement sales data will be coming, and in addition to this, manufacturing PMI data will also be coming. And after that, there are no major news flow from India. The corporate results are all over. So September month is a no corporate result month. However, we have some key data from international markets also. On Monday, manufacturing PMI data will be coming from China, and on Friday, a very important US jobs data will be coming. So right now the market setup is very bullish. In the month of June, Nifty shot up 700 points, and in the month of July, it has shot up nearly 1000 points. In the month of August, it has shot up nearly 350-400 points. Now the September, if the trend continues, we can expect 12,000 in the month of September. But for the coming week, it's a data heavy week, and we have to see how the data will be coming. Manufacturing PMI data, service PMI data, core sector growth data, GDP data, and so on. And accordingly the markets are likely to move, and the markets are likely to be volatile, and because the market has run up more than 2000 points in the last 3 months. And however, by looking at the open interest and other things, and market is looking really very bullish, and we can expect 11,200 to 12,000 as the range for next week. But what is more important is not the Nifty. What is more important is the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has clearly broken out. So any dip in the Bank Nifty is a buying opportunity now. Nifty is just only 7% below all-time high, whereas the Bank Nifty is nearly 25% below all-time high. So there is enough room for Bank Nifty to move further higher. So generally I have taken a bullish view I sold more put options than call options. So let us see, and everyone is waiting for the magic number 12K. So Nifty loves 12K. So let us see what happens in the next week. Thank you for watching.